What's up, guys? How you doing? I'm doing pretty well. Okay, I've just decided I'm gonna quickly go and fish a little bit. Got a little couple of hours to go and shoot out, so I am gonna go down to Edenvale quarry and go check how the Edenvale quarry is looking. It's been a while since I've been there. I made a pop past there and had a chat to Tony, who's running the place, and it's really looking good. So I'm actually quite excited to go and show you guys how it's looking and the progress of the Edenvale quarry as a little venue for family and everything. I'm gonna take the drone with 2 rods and get you guys some footage. You gonna come with me? I'll meet you there. Let's go. We have arrived and welcome. As you can see, we are here at Edenvale quarry. The place is looking fantabulous. There's a whole lot going on here. He's making a little area for the kids there, and there's a lot of little camp spots for all the carp fishermen, the bass fishermen. So far it's looking really good. Water's super clear. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's crazy. There's no one, well, there's 2 fishermen here. Other than that, it's dead. There's no one here. It's Friday afternoon. Almost afternoon, midday. But it's looking good, so yeah, let's get some fishing on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in.
Swim baiting. I'll show you the swim bait in a bit. And as most of you that follow me know, I'm a big lover of Itties secret baits. They are a local supplier and they make their own baits, and they've been good to me, and their baits have been good to me. I've won comps, I've caught good fish with them. So they've got this new craw top bait, which is also awesome. and I'm gonna set it up with a Texas rig, the small weight, small tungsten weight, and yeah, go pitch these reeds and see if we get anything there. Right, and this is the swim bait I'm gonna throw around. It's the Savage Gear 3D bluegill. How cool is that, eh? Super clear water at the quarry. But if you guys are looking for a new venue to come fish, or you have fished here before a long time ago, come through again. The place is really looking good. If you're a carp fisherman, if you're a bass fisherman, it's got some awesome little areas that have been cleaned out for us to fish comfortably. Where before, when you used to try to walk here through the back, it was all overgrown and hard to get into spots. So yeah, come check it out. When you come through to Tony, let Tony know that you heard about this place through me, and come catch a big fish. It is winter, so fishing is not going to be easy. I might not even catch anything today, but I mainly wanted to come show you guys what the venue is looking like, and all that. I will put all the links in the description below on how to contact Tony, and that he can give you prices and all that. I'm not up to date on the prices as yet. I think last time I was here, I think it was like 50 Rand for half a day and 100 Rand for full day of, you know, bank fishing. Or I think you pay like an extra 50 or something for launching a little boat here. So you can launch a boat. They have done some launches here, so launching of a boat is possible now. So yeah, lots of cool structure at this place. Only thing is that you got to use some solid line here, because you're going to use thin line, you're going to break off very easily. So if you guys are keen to see another video of the Edenvale quarry, but launching my boat and coming to fish off the boat for the day, then let's get this video to 200 likes and I will come through here with my boat and fish the Edenvale quarry off the boat. And hit me up in the comments, we'll see what we can do. Two bass swimming around which were decent size, threw something at it and they weren't interested. So I guess at least you guys have got to see what this place is looking like. I'll do future videos here. I'll come out with the boats. Remember, let's get me to 200 likes on this video, and yeah, I'll make a pass here, come and spend the day on the boat and fishing at shore. I think it will be a bit better. But also I wanted to get a bit warmer, so I'm gonna give the winter a little bit of a pass and come and visit this place when weather is a little bit better. Anywho guys, if you're not subscribed already, come on, subscribe. Why not? It's just a click of a button and you get to see my videos. Hit the notification button if you want to know when the latest video releases, and comment below, ask me some questions, talk to me, I'll talk back. Don't worry, I don't bite. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you on the next one soon. Peace, bye.